Hey guys, we've got a 2009 Toyota Highlander, okay? It's a 3.5 liter engine, and we have had a problem with a coolant fan assembly, okay? We replaced the entire shroud assembly and everything, and go to hook it all back up, put our fluid in, did the whole deal, and it would not come on. And that leads me to this right here. What you're pulling this up for, right? Get straight to the point. We have a fuse block right here inside the fuse panel. When you take this bad boy off right here, all right, take that bad boy off just like this. All right, you don't want to look at it like that and read it like that. Okay, flip that sucker this way right away. So there, flip it that way. Using the GoPro here, fan main, that's the one that's blown. To get to this, obviously you pop the top off. You're going to take a 10mm bolt right here out the top, a little clip, pop, a little screwdriver such as this, like a little Terminator, and you're going to, let me brighten this light up some for you. You're going to take that, pop it out the side, get it out your way. Down in there is a little clip. This is not exactly a mechanical tool, but I'm using it for one. You go down in there, you're going to pull that clip back, take you a flathead screwdriver, something you can pry with, and you're going to pry it up out of there. Okay? I've already pried this one once, so that's why it's looking easier. It's going to give you a little trouble. You keep prying back and forth till you get that sucker up out of there. When you get it out of there, you can see clearly here. Look at this. Alright? Here we go. Fan main is 1, 2, 3 over. But we're looking at it like that. And what do we have? Alright. 1, 2, 3. That's why my fans won't come on. That is also why the AC compressor is trying to lock up and overheat. That's where it's located. How do you get one of these? Well, dealership or order one online. I think it's around about 60 bucks. Don't hold me to that. Or if you're really good and you have a solder gun, you can solder that back together. Get the bug out. Bang. I do not recommend this whatsoever, but I have to buy a whole new fuse or whatever. It is what it is. I need a smaller gun. Looks like it might have worked. Let's see. If y'all like this, subscribe. If you don't, God bless you anyway. All I have is HVAC torches, so if you're in a different way, let's see if this bad boy works. Moment of truth. Dear God, please let this work. It's calling for it, baby. All right, let's kill it, plug it in, and then start it up and see if there's a problem. The fans are running. It has worked, ladies and gents. We have cold air. We have a compressor running. Clyde says peace out, by the way. Yep, that's right, buddy. Easy, buddy. It's okay. And that's that. Joyride time.